Hey guys, good morning. Lola, how do you like your new bench? It's very comfortable.
Lola has English now. She learned English. Yeah.
It fits that spot perfectly.
Cheers.
Look at this. Look how roomy this is.
What's the English of nag-ilog? Ay! like the...
This fits 3 easy. So
Yeah.
4, 5. Very cool.
Before,
buddy.
every time we have that chair, they always... what's that? How to say in English?
Like crowded.
Like they...
I love playing this guessing game with Richie.
like example, hi.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, me first.
Oh, that's like musical chairs.
Huh?
It's like, well, I don't know if there's a game like that here, but we play musical chairs.
Yeah.
Where they play the music and you run around a chair, and then when the music starts, you got to sit down before the other person down because there's only one chair.
Yes.
That's kind of how it is. All right.
Yeah.
And we put the other one in good use. Now, I usually have my breakfast out here, or Richie who has her morning coffee. So there's a lot of room out here now. So that works out really good. All right, hey guys, so I'm at the store right now. We just ordered some more materials. $9.95. And I also got 2 bags of rice for Jason, which is $9.40. All right, one more thing we ordered today were the doors. So that was $7,000. All right, so I'm gonna follow Jason. He's gonna try to walk all the way down to feed his pigs, right?
To ride this bamboo. First time, walk longest.
So I see he has a little bandage on his toe, bro.
Yes, don't try at this at home.
Oh, be careful, bro. We made it. That's the most unique way I've ever seen anybody walk down a hill like that.
But don't try at this at home.
Yeah, don't.
Now I'll feed you for the reason when you grow faster and someday you for sale and earn money to study. My daughter, 3 daughters used to study the money.
That's a good plan, bro.
Yes, good plan.
All right, so Jason's gonna go back up, but he said the hard part was coming down. So going up, he said, is a lot easier.
Oh,
Oh no,
there's a
booby trap. So he didn't have a good start.
Yes.
But, from here, it should be.
joke start.
From here, it should be easy. So later, Jason's gonna show us how to prepare this. Right now, we're just take the bananas off. This is what I cut down the other day.
Banana.
So here's the bananas wrapped around in banana leaves. While that's cooking, we'll take a walk around the house. They almost got most of the side done. That's the most time consuming part. After that, the roof is pretty quick. And the floor's all ready to go. That's the last little bit right there. Very nice looking leaf.
Perfect.
Maom lagi ka. Maom naman lagi na. Happy.
Uy.
Kauna!
Kauna, mahal ko. Kauna, mahal ko. Tagalog, mahal ko.
O, tanawa mo, luto, oh.
Ah,
Naluto.
So
Check out
there's the
Yes.
ganamus.
kinamos.
20 chilies.
Yeah, there's a lot of them in there.
Sa pag 50 kasili, wag mo sa.
Daga kayo, tulor na kipusa.
Kusun tanitanan sa day.
Maog yun, umang. Ang ko na tag sa kasili. Chili. Good for the mouth.
So for us, if you want to be satisfied, you need to open the chili.
You have to get all the taste out, all the spiciness out.
That's the life of people.
I was waiting for that.
Kamay lang ka naman dito.
All right, this is not one of my favorites, but I will try a little bit. All right, here's some onions, some fish, and then some sauce, and probably might have a little kick to it with the chili. It's pretty good.
It's like vanilla.
A little bit. Maybe eat too much, it'd probably be too overwhelming, I think, for me. Well, that's probably good for me.
Yeah.
I'm good.
You're
You
done?
guys can eat the rest, yeah.
You can eat the banana.
Alright. Alright.
You eat that chili? Bombay. You try.
Nahilak siya, Timen.
She's a fighter. Fighter.
Yes.
Baby steps. Eat banana while riding. I'll practice you. Oh, she practice. Now, gamay no. Yeah, ganyan bibi. Ali. Yeah, how to ride it. Yeah, ganit, yeah. Baby steps. Baby steps. Baby steps. How to ride. Okay, yeah. You down. Yes, you happy, baby? No happy? Yes.
She's got a good grip on your hair.
Yes. Amatin.
Alright, so we just dropped Seapring off. They're finished for the day. They got most of that outer part done. Working around. And then whoever's available, I'm not sure if it's going to be Beludoy or not, we're going to get 2 more helpers to start doing the finishing. So very cool. So to end the video, we're going to talk to Jason and his family, just so you guys can get a chance to maybe know him a little bit more. Alright, hey guys. So there's lots of people always kind of running around, and you might not know exactly who Jason's family is. So maybe we can go, each person, you guys can just say your first names.
Yes. First of all, would like to say my name. I'm Jason Papiliero. And ikaw?
Jemima Papiliero.
Manalo din. Ikaw?
Cyril.
Cyril Divine Papiliero.
Divine.
Shacid M. Papiliero.
And this one is Chelsea, my little daughter. Yes, the third daughter.
Have you lived in San Juan area your whole lives?
Itong ba na kong karma?
Dire ka na tuyo no. He's from Bulongan. It's around here.
Kind of around here,
Yeah.
not
Yes.
too far. Okay. How did you guys meet?
When the disco.
Disco.
Disco,
Nice.
yes, disco.
So was it the dance moves that attracted you guys to each
Yes,
other?
I'm good moves when I'm dance with
So he's not just a good
Uh,
singer, he's also a good dancer.
dancer.
That
When you
caught
dance,
Maima's attention.
my eyes.
Oh, your eyes? When you're
Yes,
dancing,
yes,
you use your
I
eyes?
dance. I will see here. Like this. When
Every
she
time
laughing, she laughing at me.
It all started there.
Kung problema mawa, if you here sit down, your problem is solved. You see all view here and you see the ocean,
Relaxing.
relaxing mountain.
Makes you calm.
Yeah. You're right. Like this is a good. If you have any worries on your mind, you come out here. You have that 360. In the back is the ocean you can see, and in the front, I mean, that view is amazing. All right, so that was just a quick little hello, and just to kind of have you guys an idea of like who they are, because there's lots of people walking around here.
Yes.
But,
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Hello, Belo.
And thank you to everyone for your help. This is amazing. So hopefully we'll get a couple more workers and hopefully get you guys moved in the next few weeks.
Yes, thank you,
Yeah.
Thank you to all people.
And one thing, you guys already saw it, but we got you 2 bags of rice. So those are both for you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Me?
yeah, for you guys.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Hey, you're
Thank
welcome.
you. We have a rice now. Cook. For people like me. Yes.
Cook for people like me.
I have a rice.
Just for you.
Wow. Wow. Rice. Rice for rice is important. To eat my for cook. Oh, are you happy with I have rice?
Yes.
Yes. I'm happy.
My first time seeing Maima, hearing Maima. She's a shy person.
Yes, but I'm Asha. I'm happy. When I have rice, she answer yes.
Are you guys all excited to move in your new home?
Yes, I'm excited. I'm excited, but thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you to you and to all people
Yeah, it's,
that helping
we
me.
had a lot of help, so thank
Yes.
you to you guys.
Thank you.
All right, so I guess we'll call that a day. We'll let them rest, and then we'll carry on the next few days. So hopefully, the next time you see us, we'll probably have a few more workers,
Yes.
and then hopefully we can get it done in the next few weeks. So that's very, very exciting.
Yes.
So I guess from now, we'll just say goodbye.
Bye.
We'll see you guys next
Thank
time.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Chelsea.
Thank you.